Welcome back to another WhatGear Quickie Leak. So word has been leaked via the underworld grapevine that Sony are getting ready to make significant upgrades to their gaming Godzilla of a console, the PS4. So as we know, Sony are pioneering the way in 4K and getting ready to disrupt the VR market with its PSVR, virtual reality headset. And it's for this very reason that we could likely see a PS4.5 in the near future. And I heard they might be calling it the PS4K, which I think is a pretty good name in my opinion. The current PS4 can support 4K pictures and videos, however not 4K gaming, which could be considered a weakness when compared to the potential of the Oculus Rift connected to a PC. The new PS4K will support 4K gaming with its all new GPU, which will also help improve the quality of the PSVR. And how do we know this? Because word has been leaked that Sony have been talking to developers in the gaming industry. So at this point we have no idea how much it will cost, but I can tell you one thing, I'm definitely sensing a disturbance in the force. And the price is quite likely to send me on the path to the dark side. So as well as this significant upgrade, could we see some more hardware and design tweaks? I guess we'll just have to wait and see. So here's a question for you guys. If you could make any improvements to your current PS4, what would you like to see? Leave it in the comments below. So thanks for watching this WhatGear Quickie Leak. And if you just subscribed, you are now one of the finest subscribers known to man. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Maybe late.
Go.
Hey Picard, did you hear? Sony are getting ready to launch a new PlayStation 4K.
Acknowledge.